Little storyteller.
Finny was a little goldfish with shiny orange scales. He lived in a big, round glass bowl filled with clear, cool water and soft green plants. Finny loved to blow bubbles. Not just any bubbles, but the best bubbles. He wanted to build a bubble nest so amazing that he could win the online most epic bubble nest contest. The prize was a crown made of shiny pebbles. Every day Finny practiced. He would swim to the top of his bowl, take a big gulp of air, and then blow out tiny, perfect bubbles. He tried making them stick together. Sometimes they floated away, but Finny never gave up. He wanted to build a bubble palace, the biggest and best bubble nest ever seen. His best friend, Shelly the snail, would watch him from the side of the bowl. Shelly had a swirly brown shell and moved very slowly. "Your bubbles are getting bigger, Finny," she'd say in her slow, gentle voice. "Keep trying." One sunny morning, Finny blew the biggest bubble he had ever blown. It was round and shimmery, like a pearl. He blew another one, and then another. Slowly, carefully, he pushed them together. They stuck. He kept blowing and pushing, and soon a beautiful bubble nest started to take shape. It had little rooms and archways, a real bubble palace. A little girl with bright pink bows in her hair came to look at Finny's bowl. She saw the amazing bubble nest. "Wow," she whispered. She took a picture with her phone and entered Finny in the online contest. Soon lots of people online saw Finny's bubble palace. They all thought it was wonderful. And guess what? Finny won the contest. He got his shiny pebble crown. He wore it proudly, swimming around his beautiful bubble nest with Shelly watching happily. That day, Finny learned that if you try and try, even when things are a little bit hard, you can achieve amazing things, and having a good friend like Shelly to cheer you on makes it even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.